Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to set and operate this watch, Casio W215H. Anyway, if you want to know more about this watch, you can check our review. I will put the link in the description. Okay, first, if you want to change the mode, press the mode button on the bottom left, this one. Okay, yes, and this one is the timekeeping mode, which shows the time and no segment is blinking or flashing. Okay, now we can change the time format by pressing this one, the start stop button on the top left. So this is 24-hour format, 21, and this one is 9 p.m. So it's the same thing. Okay, next we can activate the backlight by pressing this one, the light button on the right side. Okay, and then next we can do the LCD check by pressing all the three buttons. So yeah, maybe you want to hold the watch in this position, it's easier this way. And then maybe press the start stop button or the light button a bit earlier, like this. And yes, after you press all the three buttons, it will show this LCD check screen, which all the segments are active. And now if you want to exit from this one, easy, just press any button, but I will suggest this one, the start stop button. Okay. And then next we can also do the Casio check. And to do that, in this timekeeping mode, press and hold the start stop button on the top left. And yeah, we will get this one, Casio, on the display. Okay. Next, we can also do the alarm sound check for this watch. And to do that, press the mode button. And now we are in the alarm mode. And press and hold the start stop button on the top left. And it will give this beeping sound. Okay. Now let's return to the timekeeping mode. And next, we will set the time and date, and to do that, press the mode button 1, 2, 3, and you can see now that the second is flashing or blinking. And yes, for this one, we can reset or change the second becoming 0 by pressing the start stop button on the top left. And if it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute. But if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute. So this one, okay, 0 with additional minute, or if 1, 2, and so on, without additional minute. Okay, next we can move to the next item by pressing this one, the light button, and now is the hour. You can increase the number by pressing this one, the start stop button. Okay, and yeah, let me press and hold, so let's back to 9 p.m. Okay, next press the light button and we are moving to the next item, and that is the minute. You can also use the same button, the start stop button, to increase the number. Okay, and then press again the light button, and now is the month. You can use the start stop button to increase the same way. So yeah, December, and yeah, let's return to April. Okay, and then press again the light button, and now is the date. You can also use the start stop button to increase the number, or yeah, just press and hold if you want to increase faster. Okay, press again the light button, and now is the day of the week. So this one is also the same. Use the start stop button to increase, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. Okay, and then if you press again from the day, now return to the second. And if you're done with the setting of the time and date, easy, just press the mode button and done. Okay, now we are returning to the timekeeping mode. And then let me also show you how to set the alarm. So from the timekeeping mode, press the mode button once, and now AL, alarm. So in this alarm mode, you can change the time of the alarm by first press this one, the light button. So now the hour is flashing or blinking, and this one you can press the start stop button to increase the number. So let's say I want to set the alarm at 5:30, so this one 5, okay. And then press again the light button to move to the minute, and again press the start stop button, and now I press and hold to change faster. 29, 30, okay, 5:30, and press again the light button and done. Now we can also set which features are active. So this one is both are active, the alarm and the hourly signal, but you can change by pressing this one, the start stop button, in the alarm mode. So this one means both are not active. This one only the alarm 5:30 is active, This one is the hourly signal that will give beeping sound every changing of the hour is active. And this one both are active, and this one both are not active. So in this video, let me show you if both are active. Okay, like this. And then that's all for the alarm, done. And now let's move to the next mode, and that is the stopwatch. But if we press the mode button, it now returns to the timekeeping mode, so we need to press twice the mode button, and now is the stopwatch. So for the stopwatch, you can use as usual stopwatch, start stop, using the start stop button on the top left. Start, stop, and you can continue again, continue, stop, okay, and you can reset using the light button. Okay, you can also use the stopwatch for split time, and to do that easy, just press the start stop button to start, okay, and then use the light button to split. So now the time is still running in the background, and also this one, the two dots is blinking or flashing, meaning the time is still running in the background. So if I press again the light button, it's not 4, 5, but it's jumping to the time that currently running in the background. So yeah, 19, 20, and so on. Okay, if you want to use the split time again, just press the split button again, the light button, okay. And if you want to continue again, if you want to stop, use the start stop button on the top left and reset using this light button, and done. And yeah, that's all for the operation of this cool simple watch, Casio W215H. Anyway, if you want to know more about this watch, as I told you earlier, you can check our review. This is a nice, cool watch. I think a matte finish will be a lot better. Okay, and that's all for this video. Hopefully useful. Thank you for watching. I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.